Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to cancel Zoom subscription. For that, you need to open the Google browser and click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in zoom.com and press enter. This will open the official web page in Zoom. Now once you're at the Zoom, you need to log in first. So click on sign in on the top right and then get logged in into the account by providing the account details. And then click on sign in. So once you have been logged in, what you need to do over here to cancel your subscription in Zoom is you need to go to the account management over here on the admin. Click on account management and then click on billing. So once you're at this page, you will have your current plan over here. If you have subscription of a plan in Zoom, you will be able to find it over here. As you can see, I do not have any subscription right now from Zoom. So if you have any, you will be able to find it on this page, and here you will be able to cancel that subscription right away. You will have the cancel option right on the bottom, and once you do that, you will be moving forward with the canceling of the Zoom subscription. You just click on the cancel button. You will need to provide few information. So this is a way how you can cancel Zoom subscription on this page. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel.